I'm Connor with GME Supply, and in this video, we want to highlight our capacity to develop entirely custom solutions for any equipment sourcing problem you might have in the at-height industries. Safety is our passion, and we understand that the best safety equipment is what you have with you on the job, not gear that's held up by crazy lead times or unorganized warehouses. We make the process of ordering safety equipment for your company as painless as possible by providing you with unmatched product and industry knowledge, competitive shipping times, and flexible kitting options to outfit your whole crew with the click of a button. Our gear experts have undergone extensive training in order to deeply understand your industry and the equipment you use. Whether it's information straight from the manufacturer or experience with customers in the field, we can craft a tailored solution to your real-world needs. On top of that, we understand that when you order gear, you probably needed it yesterday. So our gear experts have an equally impressive knowledge of our shipping and inventory systems to make sure we can get you your gear as soon as you need it. To help you better visualize what value we can provide, let me tell you a quick story. In a recent discussion with one of our valued customers, it was expressed that when they started ordering equipment, they would purchase total quantities of the components they need, wait for dozens of boxes to arrive at their warehouse, separate every component one by one, then repackage each component into kits for their crews. They estimate that from receiving their order to getting their crews on the road, there was approximately 80 hours of labor per order put into sorting the equipment that their crews needed just to start the job. Here's where GME Supply comes in. We were able to package the tools, rescue, safety, and rigging kits needed for one crew onto a single pallet, allowing them to receive the pallet into their warehouse, assign the components of the pallet to a crew, then load it straight onto their trailer with full confidence that they have everything they need to begin the job. With a little quick math, in the last couple of years, we've done this for hundreds of crews, saving tens of thousands of hours in labor. This not only saves time, but tons of money that wouldn't be factored into the cost of outfitting a crew with gear alone. To learn more about our company and services, reach out to our gear experts via chat, phone, or email at gmesupply.com.